So today in the Seanad, myself and Senator Fiona O'Loughlin raised the rollout of IVF in our public health system.
Infertility impacts on 1/6 of our population, and we need to make sure that treatment is fair, it's equitable and it's accessible, not just to those with money.
Having lived through the highs and lows of 5 IVF cycles, the worry, the waiting, the failures, the pain, I strongly believe that the state simply does not do enough to support couples facing this challenge. I was one of the lucky ones. I was able to afford cycles, and eventually we hit the jackpot. There are so many people out there, Catherine and Minister, who simply cannot.
This is about equality and equity of access to that support that is needed to some to start their own family. Money should not dictate, as it does now, whether people have access to this or not.
We want to move away from a situation where, for many people, because of the huge costs, that it's not something that it is affordable. We want everybody to have the same chances regardless of income, and that really is the goal here.